Come back to our class again. The words that you hear in English, how they are pronounced in Isoko. Ibiemi Ibujo, if the marriage Isoko, Maire Ron, no Mairo Sai, if I see. Then the air is Ofo, Ofo, or Ofo, that is for the air. Then the wind is Odu, Odu. You can still say Ofo or Ofo too, the air and the wind. But the wind is Odu, Ofo or Ofo. Then windstorm is Ogiribo or Oweibo. That is windstorm, sea breeze. Oduoyeyere, Omofo Oyeyere. That is sea breeze. Then clouds, Ego. That is a cloud. Ego. Then dew, Igrigri, Igrigri or Egwogwo. That is dew. So when you say Igrigri or you say Egwogwo, you are referring to the dew. Then cold is Epahe or Edede, not Udede. Udede is peace. Edede is cold or Epahe. Udede is peace. Did you get the difference now? Good. Whether it is frost, ice, or snow, it is Ikulu or Ikbuluame. Same thing with ice block. So that's why we say ice. So everything that is ice from water or snow or frost, it is Ikulu or Ikbuluame. That is for that. Then Harmattan is Uri, Uri. So we say Uri, so we say Uriri. That's Harmattan. Uri, Uriri, Uriri. That is Harmattan. Then perspiration is when you are sweating profusely, looking for fresh air, what have you, or something to cool you. That is Oda or Ogberonye or Oheri. Did you get it? Perspiration. When somebody is perspiring, there's so much heat and everything, and he's sweating profusely. Oda, Ogberonye, Oheri. That is perspiration. Oda, Ogberonye, Oheri. Then sweat is Eronye. Sweat is Eronye. Did you get the difference now? Sweat is Eronye. Then light is Elo. Elo or Eveve. Eveve. Light. Either Elo or Eveve. Then darkness is Ebi. So we say Ebri. So we say Ego. So we say Ososo. Did you get that? Ebi. Ebri. Ego. Also, that is darkness. Then life is Uzwazo. Life is Uzwazo. Then, like I said, human being is Owo or Owakbo. Human being, Owo, Owakbo. Then hill. Hill is Ugberu. Ugberu. Or maybe mountain too. Ugberu. So mountain is Ugberu too, because you know mountains are made from hilly rocks. What have you now? So that's Ugberu too. Then ordinary hill is Ugberu. Do you understand now? So hill is Ugberu, mountain is Ugberuto, or so we say Ugbenu for those people who don't use arrow. Ugberu, Ugbenu, Ugbenuto, Ugbenuto. That's hill. Hill is Ugberu or Ugbenu. Mountain is Ugbenuto or Ugbenuto. That's for mountain. Then valley is Ukboto. Valley. Ukboto, as in somewhere that went down. Oh, that is valley. Then cave. Cave is Ugohuto. You know, most caves are in rocks. In rocks. So Ugohuto in literally says hole, a hole of a rock. So that's cave. Ugohuto or Egbegbuto. Ugohuto. When you hear that, either Ugohuto or Egbegbuto, you are referring to the cave. That is the cave. Plead with you. Please follow me on my social media handle. When you see this post, like. Don't just like. Learn. Don't just learn. Share it. Don't just share it. Comment on it. Till I see you in next class.